Hi, my name is Lindy from Project Portfolio Office. This video is aimed at PPO administrators and I'll be covering the key contact functionality as well as invoices in PPO. I'm going to start with a key contact. So in order for PPO to send important communications related to PPO, we need a specific user to be allocated as that key contact person. So by default, if you have provisioned the instance of PPO, you will be the key contact. So to get to key contacts, just hover over administration, select key contact. Here you can see that currently Adrian de Villiers is nominated as the key contact. I'm logged in as Barry Lineker, and if I wanted to change the key contact to be myself, I'll simply just select Barry and then click on submit. If I now hover over my user options, I can then also access the key contact page via the user options. Once a key contact has been allocated, they will receive an email notification from noreply@ppolive.com explaining that they have been nominated as the key contact, and it also provides the steps if they were to want to change the key contact information. The next item that I'd like to cover is invoices in PPO. So even if you are not allocated as the billing contact for invoices in PPO, if you have administration functionality, you just hover over that administration menu under the subscription grouping, select invoices, and this takes you through to the invoice list. Here we have the ability to export all. That will just give us a data dump in CSV, and I'll just quickly show an example of that. Here is an example of the CSV that I've extracted, but I also can on this list do some filtering. If I select invoices, I can have a look at the last 6 months invoices, or I can only focus on what has not been paid yet. I can also remove that filter and filter by status to either just focus on overdue, paid, or invoices that are in a sent status. To download these invoices, you simply just click on the actions icon to view the invoice that downloads it in a PDF. I hope you found this valuable. Thanks for watching.